I don't want peace. I want problems always.
No, 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 no.
Hello everyone,
God have mercy upon us.
welcome to yet another fun fact about drones in the construction industry. Did you know that these marvels are doing great things for the construction in building our worlds today?
We cannot speak something we don't know.
Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are becoming a staple in construction sites around the globe. Drones are revolutionizing surveying and mapping. They can easily survey a large plot of land. They can inspect hard-to-reach places like tall buildings, bridges, and rooftops, limiting the need for workers to climb dangerous heights. So, next time you see a drone flying in a construction site, remember, this is not just a cool gadget,
Yeah, boy, yeah, obey.
but it's a game changer in the construction industry.